Hello guys, hope you are doing good, and I just want to tell you guys, and I bought this Civic 2010 1.8 liter and a few days back, and I already broke the tensioner pulley, and that's why the car is making noise. It was working perfectly fine 2 days ago, but now suddenly I broke it. I'm making too much noise. As you can see the car, how it looks. I can show you the engine right here. As you can see, the tensioner pulley was here, I think, and it's broken. That's why it's making. So as you can see guys, the tensioner pulley is broken. That's why the engine is making so much noise right now, and this thing is so annoyed me because I really like this Civic, how it looks and how clean it was when I bought, and the AC was broken when I bought, and the guy said it only needs Freon, the AC gas, but it did not. So I had to put the new compressor. I put the new compressor and the AC started working, but then this happened right after 2 days after I fixed the AC, and the tensioner pulley is broken. Now I probably have to spend more money on this. I have no idea how much the mechanic is going to charge me to just put the tensioner pulley. I wish I could do it by myself, but I don't have time. I will keep you posted for the updates. Stay tuned.